FLOWRiX, the unified solution for your digital and in-store business. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to set package height, width, and depth for vertical and panel blinds, enabling automated shipping calculations. Vertical blinds ship differently than their assembled size. Blades are separated from the frame, so their shipping dimensions are not the same as the product dimensions. Providing precise package sizes ensures accurate shipping costs and efficient bookings. To specify package width for vertical and panel blinds, we need to consider the following two concepts. 1. If the product width is greater than the panel height, the box width equals the frame width. 2. If the product width is less than or equal to the panel height, the box width matches the panel height. Now, let's populate product width in the Excel file. Use millimeters or your preferred unit. For products where the drop height exceeds the width, the package width is equal to the product drop. You can see this in our Excel file. Package height and depth remain largely consistent across all sizes, so the Excel files for height and depth are much simpler with fewer calculation points. For height and drop, we only using a single price point. You may want to create multiple calculation points. Once you prepare the package width, height, and depth files, you can upload these to FLOWRiX. Go to FLOWRiX app. Navigate to Custom Products, select Vertical Blinds and go to the Shipping tab. Upload your Excel files in the relevant fields. Please ensure the FLOWRiX app uses the same unit as your Excel files. You can confirm this by looking at the unit displayed in the fields. Press Save, and that's it. Remember to subscribe and watch tons of cool features in FLOWRiX. Expand your business with the FLOWRiX digital commerce platform. Start your trial today.